How you doing, and welcome to the channel. I know it's been a while since I've been on. Just doing a quick little video to get it out there. This is a ratchet and screwdriver I picked up at Harbor Freight. It happens to be a T-handle, as you can see. So $2.17 on clearance. Works pretty good. Clearance. I mean, it's not the greatest. It's Chinese made, but it's better quality than stuff you see by Harbor Freight, for the most part. Comes with this. It had another attachment, but I unscrewed it. I guess it was to keep this bit in, but honestly I don't really need it. And then I got this little one on Wish. It doesn't come with bits, but I put this one in here. It's a little stubby ratchet in. As you can see, it's got I mean, it's not the best quality Chinesium, but you know, what are you gonna do? It was $2. It was $1.70 with shipping. Of course, it came from China. Locks, a little stubby, something. And I had these over a year. These adapters. I wish they were magnet here. There's a way of magnetizing these, and I might just do that. Because all that debris you get in the other kind. There's only three different sizes, but you know, I bought these last year around this time. Should have heck with these out. And this is a Craftsman Focus. .3/8 ratchet, 3/8 ratchet, made in the U.S. Right there's the USA logo. This is the older Sears ratchet. They don't make these no more like this. Good quality. And everybody knows this. It focuses. Good old reliable SK, model 45170 USA made. It's a 3/8. I love the narrowing at the end. Nice and grippy. And I have this 1/2" AM Pro, US made. Not the Chinese like now. It's heavy. Socket drops right out. Had these for years. These ain't even Harbor Freight. See Wish. Put this back. It's a 100 piece. But I went straight down the center where there's no labels. Added 5 more bits, so it's 105. Now I've got this 106. Sorry, I got this one here. And I got this power bit from DeWalt. A couple adapters. It's a good set to have for home use. It's not impact ready. The other bits on that screwdriver, so. Alright, put these over here. Socket over here. I never really showed this one off. This is my DeWalt ratchet and adjustable, linked, maxfit. As you can see, it's like a hex collar on an impact driver. It's not the greatest, it makes too much noise, but you know, came with everything here but these two. These two maxfit bits did not come with. What's that? Wow, this magnet is super strong. Yeah, like 99% of you didn't know what these were in that VCG video. Well, I know what it was. That's what made me purchase this. Magnet's right here, very strong. But it came with these 10 different bits. And yes, I recommend it. It doesn't have an onboard storage, so you'll have to buy a case. I just found a solution like this, like $1.50 for this case. Everybody knows Sterlite. I sell them all over their bins. This is just an old bit holder from a screwdriver. It's seen better days. I think I've had this about 20 years. Nut drivers, I don't know, Tractor Supply. I could care less about these N flat and Phillips head number 2. But this ain't bad for the price, $6. I haven't shown this enough. You know, might as well. Let's open it up, get this going. I'm overdue for a video for YouTube, so I gotta show off some tools. Just as you can see, this is what I got. This is a 30-piece. 2 nut drivers. It comes with that piece. That one comes with a couple of Torx, a couple of Phillips, a couple of square, a couple of flatheads. Let's see what else comes with. Yeah, a couple of squares. Of course, the universal screw guide that comes in all the kits from DeWalt. This is the better one than the one without the sleeve. I like this set. It was worth the money. It was a gift. So yeah, it was worth the money. See what I got in this little case, and I could safely say that would be the end of this video. I don't even know why that was in there. This came with my 20-bit DeWalt. Needed some extra bits I keep in there. Stanley blades, extra bit. Extra USA made screwdriver, Huskies, flat, and Phillips. And this special thing, I've showed this in another video, but not many people remember these. I got this years ago, and I decided to keep that. I need to get a tripod. device. I don't have an adapter for my cell phone. So, let's see. Jacob's torque mate. If it's a 3/8 bit, this goes into your drill. Converts your drill, sort of. It goes by your drill's torque into an impact driver. And I guess it has a gear reduction. So it's supposed to give it more juice. This is plastic, not the greatest. But, you know, I think I spent about $30 for this, years ago. But, you know, these are hard. These are not around really much. Maybe eBay could find them. Just came in the package. I think I bought it in True Value. Something like that. Some smaller bits, knockarounds. Yeah, well, anyway, this concludes my video. If you want to see any more videos, hit the like button, subscribe, comment. Thank you to all the support I get from the YouTube and Instagram community. I am on Instagram. You can find me under TC_KidSolo. Thank you very much, and have a wonderful day. God bless.